Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm doing a pour. This is on a 24 by 30 inch Artist Loft canvas. So I'm going to be using, I have Artist Loft Black. I'm using Decoart's Metallic Sapphire and Decoart's Metallic Sterling Silver. I'm using Arteza's Pearl Electric Blue, Blinkrylic's Phaloto Blue, and I'm going to add in a little bit of Decoart's Dazzling Metallic Pearl Peacock, and then for my smear color I have Amsterdam Black Oxide. So I'm just going to kind of start putting some color down and kind of go with the flow and see what happens here. All right, so I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. I'm pretty happy with it. I like the fact that there's some black in there in between. Sorry about the light from up above. See how I got all these air bubbles yet to get? I gotta get those. I just mixed the black paint before I painted. Before I did this pour, so yeah. So I gotta keep checking here with the air bubbles, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry I didn't do a lot of talking. It was a pretty big piece and I have a lot on my table. Trying to get ready for this craft show. So I had to make sure I didn't get it anywhere, that it wasn't drips anywhere that wasn't supposed to get on. But I do thank everybody for watching. I don't know if you've seen me almost trip over her. She doesn't get out of the way. She has to be right underneath my feet the whole time. But I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and you will like and share and let me know what you think about these colors. If there's something you'd like me to do, a different color combination. Like, I'm obsessed with this one. Obsessed. It's beautiful. Turned out really cool. But yeah. But I hope everybody is healthy and safe. I do appreciate you guys watching. Your comments mean so much to me. I'm almost to 800 subscribers. Woohoo, yeah. I appreciate you guys. Yeah. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.